The demand for surveillance systems is growing, and the adoption and use of IP as a transport mechanism for video continue to increase. Sony recognized this trend early on and has been focused on developing security products and solutions aligned with this trend. Now, Sony is pleased to introduce a new line of NSR recording servers. The key concepts for the NSR-1000 series are hybrid capability, open platform, easy setup and operation. The NSR-1000 series recording servers opens a door to a world of new possibilities in video surveillance. Hybrid system for the migration from analog to IP and from SD to HD. The NSR-1050H, 1100, and 1200 support both IP and analog cameras that can be combined for a total of up to 20, 32, and 64 cameras respectively. The NSR-1050H comes with the input cards for 16 analog cameras. The other two can support analog cameras using optional input cards, a maximum of 16 analog cameras per unit. With the NSR-1000 series, you can gradually migrate to an IP camera system, including megapixel cameras, while maintaining an analog camera system of up to 16 units. The recorders also have two analog RGB monitor output connectors and two HDMI connectors. Users can select any two of the connectors among the four. To address the growing demand for high-definition network cameras, the NSR-1000 series will support HD capability in the near future. Sony's new NSR-1000 series makes your migration from analog to IP systems and your transition from SD to HD simple and scalable, depending on your requirements. Open platform gives you the freedom to select from a wide range of cameras. The NSR-1000 series can be used with Sony IP cameras and IP cameras from other manufacturers as well. Even if you have cameras of different brands in your existing system, the NSR-1000 series will accept these brands, enabling future system expansion. Easy operation, quick installation, and intuitive operation. When you use Sony's IP cameras, you can register the IP cameras instantly just by following the setup wizard. The NSR-1000 series automatically detects Sony IP cameras in the network. You can also start recording in a few simple steps. Compared with conventional models, the NSR-1000 series reduces installation and setup time dramatically. In monitoring operation, operators can search, preview, and play back the recorded video with an intuitive user interface. It is also easy to export the video to external media for various applications. There are a lot more features of the NSR-1000 series. Clear images. The frame rate of the video readout of the NSR-1000 series is much higher than conventional models. Even with 16 cameras, the movement of the video can be viewed through a monitor much more clearly and smoothly. The refresh rate on the screen is high for smoother moving images. In addition, through an HDMI output, users can view and monitor the video in high resolution. Depending on the application, locations can be monitored through multi-screen display while still maintaining high video quality. Expandability. To expand the storage, the NSR-1000 series can be connected with up to 7 units of the NSR-1000 2TB hard disk storage devices. With the NSR-1200 in RAID 5 configuration, the maximum storage capacity will become 11 terabytes in total, approximately. For remote viewing and control, the bundled controller software can be installed in the client PC. The IMZ NS-100 series. For installations where you would like to utilize your own servers, Sony also provides the IMZ NS-100 software for Windows. It features the same functionality and graphical user interface as the NSRs previously mentioned. For remote applications, the controller software supplied with the IMZ can be installed on client PCs. This controller software is common to both the NSR-1000 series and the IMZ NS-100 software series. Both the NSR and IMZ series incorporate DEPA, Sony's Distributed Enhanced Processing Architecture. Used in conjunction with Sony cameras with built-in analytics, DEPA helps identify critical events more easily and provides a streamlined workflow for your video security operations. Responding to the various needs of customers for video surveillance systems, Sony's network surveillance recorders have been designed with these needs in mind. Hybrid for analog and IP and SD and HD. Open platform for flexibility in camera choice. Easy setup and easy operation. The NSR-1000 series, the network surveillance system for the next generation.